Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install 3ds Max script, right? So when we talk about scripting on 3ds Max, we need to keep in mind 3 file extensions, okay? Those are .mzp, .ms, .mcr, these 3, okay? If you have one of these file extensions, well, those are scripts for 3ds Max. Now to install it, all you got to do, just go ahead over to the top, go ahead over to scripting, click on it. Now click on run script. Okay. Click on it. Now it'll open up a window explorer. So what you're going to do is just go ahead and find your script. So I have one downloaded on my desktop, just for you to see right here. This one is an MS file extension. So you can go ahead and install this one directly to your viewport by just dragging and dropping, or click on it, make sure that it is highlighted, and click on open. All right. And as fast as that, here we now have our installed script. Only .ms extensions can be drag and drop to be installed. Now, if it's .mzp or .mcr, well, you can just go ahead over to scripting, again, run script, open it from here. Now, there are some scripts that are needed to be visited right here under customize. Okay, you can go ahead and open up your UI or menu editor or customize user interface. All right, and then go ahead over to toolbars right here and just find the installed script. Okay, now once you've found it, well, just click on it and you can go ahead and add it to your toolbars right here at the top. Okay, or you can just go ahead and drag and drop. All right. That's how simple it is to install scripts or 3ds Max script. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.